This is the solution to an AS level mathematics question about circles. It comes from CCEA's C2 paper 2016 question 8. So it's a legacy paper, but it's still relevant to the current specifications. So this question says a circle has a centre AB and a radius R. The centre of the circle lies on the line y equals 2. Write down the value of B. Okay, let's do a wee sketch. A wee sketch makes everything so much easier in these questions. There's your circle, very bad looking circle, but a circle nonetheless. It lies on the line, the centre of the circle lies on the line y equals 2. So if you had a line y equals 2, which is a horizontal line, there's y equals 2, and my centre lies on it. So that tells me the centre, we knew it was AB, but we also know then that the y value is 2. So that is what we have got then. So B is just equal to 2. So there's not really much working out you can do. Just do a wee diagram, and there you have it. The centre is A2, so B is equal to 2. Part 2 says a circle passes through the points 1, 5 and minus 6, 6. Find the equation of this circle. Now, it's hard to know which way to do it. I would probably do the general equation of a circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared, and let's put in what we know. So we know the radius. We don't know the radius just yet, but we do know that we know one of the center points. We knew our y then was, our b part was equal to 2, so that's y minus 2 squared is equal to r squared. So we can just sub in these points, and hopefully that will be enough for us to get there. So we're going to sub in the first point, which was 1, 5. I'll write down the other one as well before I forget it. Sub in the other one as well, which is minus 6, 6. So we're just going to sub it in its current form, see how we get on with that. Might not be the most efficient way of doing it, but we'll go for it. So that's 1 minus a squared plus, and then 5 minus 2 squared, because my y was 5, is equal to r squared, and let's just tidy that up. So 1 minus a squared is 1 minus a times 1 minus a. Do this out, folks. So many people don't do that out and mess it up. I would just take the time and do that out, make sure I get it right, and then as well 5 minus 2 is 3 squared, so tally that up, make life a wee bit easier. Okay, now we're multiplying. 1 times 1 is just 1. 1 times minus a is minus a. You've also minus a times 1, so that's going to be minus 2a. And minus a times minus a is a squared. And then plus 9 is equal to r squared. Okay, tidy that up a wee bit. You're going to have a squared minus 2a plus 10 is equal to r squared. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not too sure if this is going to be the best way of doing it. We will see. But you're going to have a squared minus 2a plus 10 equals r squared. Now we're going to sub the minus 6 in. So instead of writing x, write minus 6. So minus 6 minus a squared plus my y, which was 6 minus 2 squared, is equal to r squared. Tidy up again. That's going to be minus 6 minus a times minus 6 minus a plus 4 squared is equal to r squared. Minus 6 times minus 6 is 36. Minus 6 times minus a is plus 6a, and then minus a times minus 6 is another plus 6a, so that's going to be 12a, and then a minus a times minus a is a squared, and then plus 16 equals r squared. Again, tidy up, you'll have a squared plus 12a plus, if I could add, that's going to be 40, that's going to be 52, is equal to r squared, equation 2. Right, now this is unusual, but you've got two equations, two unknowns. I'm just going to write my a squared minus 2a plus 10 equals r squared underneath. Now, if you had simultaneous equations like this, 17x, 14x, and then you had plus y, and plus y is equal to 10 and equal to 4. I'm just making these up randomly. What would you do? You would subtract, because you've got the same number of y's, so they would cancel out. So if we subtract here, so I'm just going to do equation 2 minus equation 1, a squared minus a squared, that disappears. Then you've got 12a minus 2a, that's going to be 14a. And then you've got 52 minus 10, that's just going to be 42. And then you've got r squared minus r squared, and that's just going to be equal to 0, which means 14a is equal to minus 42. Your a then is equal to minus 42 divided by 14. Haven't got a calculator here, so I'm just going to divide top and bottom by 7, get minus 6 over 2, and then divide top and bottom by 2 to give you minus 3 over 1, which is just minus 3. Or just do 6 divided by 2 to give you minus 3 would be easier. Okay, what did our question say? Find the equation of a circle. So we've now got our value of a. A was equal to minus 3. What was my... we've got to find r. Forgot to find my r. So sub into equation 1. Sub into equation 1. So you're going to have minus 3 squared minus 2 times minus 3 plus 10 is going to be r squared. So let's just work that out. My r squared is going to be, that's going to be 9 plus 6 plus 10. So r squared is equal to, that's going to be 19 plus 6 is going to be 25. So we don't even need to find that. R clearly would be 5, but we don't need to find it. Remember, the equation of a circle is x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. So you just say, my circle is x minus 3, so x plus 3 all squared, y minus 2 all squared is equal to 25. And that's it done.